And I'll keep you guys updated in next month's video after I finish my first month of doing it.
That was me about half a year ago. Unfortunately, I ended up failing that challenge after about a month, but I'm not giving up. I'm currently sitting at 220 pounds, and I hate looking at myself in the mirror. Not to mention all these clothes that I have that just don't fit. But, since it's New Year's, my resolution, like most of yours, is to work out and get into a decent shape. It's okay to try and fail at things as long as you keep at it. And this time, I'm hoping that by making these videos, I can motivate myself and all of you. Feel free to let me know in the comments what your workout goals are.
I've already started dieting for the past week, and now I'm going to start doing Insanity, the Asylum, pictured over there, and this, my own personal dungeon. Get it? Dungeon and gym. You're going to stop watching now, aren't you?
But this is going to be my personal gym for the next 2 months. No gym memberships and no excuses. Just this empty space, this broken laptop, these two 30-pound weights, and those power bands. After the first month of doing Insanity, I'm going to post a new video about my thoughts on it, and my current results and everything else, but for now I'm going to stop the video here, guys. Like and subscribe to let me know that you liked the video, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Also, if you want to keep up with my journey, feel free to follow my Twitter, which is linked in the description. I'll be posting on it often, and I'll see you guys next time.